The double down defense is another cat stance basic. This starts by pulling our feet together and chambering at a high angle with our fists closed, stepping forward into a cat stance and blocking down. Our front hand should be about 2 fists off of our knee. As we move forward, we chamber across the face and block, stepping into a good cat stance. This technique is done moving backwards as well. Little ninjas are only required to do it moving forward. Moving backwards, it looks something like this. Done full out moving forward, it looks like this. One of our cat stance basics is called the reinforced block. This starts from ready position. From there, we bring our left foot to our right and both of our hands to our back waist, palms down in a fist. Then we step into a cat stance, bringing our hands across our body, making a box in front of us, reinforcing the block. Moving slowly forward, we bring our hands back to our back belt position, stepping forward into another cat stance and reinforcing the block. Done full out, it looks something like this. From there, to make sure that we're clear on some of the details, once we chamber, our hands stay together as they slide down the arm, reinforcing. Notice the hand position is not at the elbow, but slightly up from the elbow, and the hand comes across the face completely in order for the technique to be correct. A few additional details to this technique include, once we are chambered back to our back hip and stepping forward into a cat stance, notice how the hand slides down the forearm into the accurate position. It does not go all the way to the elbow. The proper reinforce is slightly above the elbow. The hand must come completely across the center line, blocking the entire face. Notice how the elbow is up on the reinforcement rather than down against the body. These are the details that make this particular technique correct. The side middle defense is started from a good ready position. First, we bring our left foot to our right, bring our blocking hand across the body and parry across our face with the opposite hand. From there, we step into a good cat stance, performing the block. Notice how the block comes completely across the center line, protecting the face, and the other hand comes to the belt, pulling the elbow back as far as we can. Moving forward, our chamber, we bring the hand on the belt across the body, the other hand parries across the face, ending in a good blocking position. Done full out, it looks something like this. The Heian Shodan form, performed one move at a time, looks like this. First, we turn to our left side, parrying across the face, doing a down defense, stepping forward into a good front stance. We lift our hand and step forward into a middle punch. From here, we turn to our right side, parry across the face, doing a down defense to the right side in a good front stance. Lifting the right hand as we twist, releasing, pulling back into a short cat stance, doing a back fist, extending that hand, and stepping forward into a good front stance. From there, we step forward into a good middle punch. Here we turn and look in the direction we're going, turn and face that direction, doing a down defense. Then we do an outside knife hand block without moving our feet. From there, we step forward into an upper defense in a good front stance. Again, an upper defense, and an upper defense with a kiap.
Yeah.
This next section, we look to the right and turn to the left, doing a down defense to our left side, maintaining a good front stance. we lift and throw a middle punch, stepping forward. Then we turn to the right, parrying across the face with our right hand, doing a down defense. Then we step forward, lifting our hand, doing a middle punch. From here, we come back to the center, looking in the direction we are headed, doing a down defense. From here, we step forward, doing 3 middle punches. 1, 2, 3 with a kiap. From here, we look to the right, turn to our left, do a shudo uke in a cat stance. We step forward and move in a 45-degree angle with another shudo uke. This move, we return, stepping back to the baseline, doing the same shudo uke on the right side, and then stepping forward again at a 45-degree, finishing with a left hand shudo uke. At the end of the form, we maintain this position until our instructor says return. This form done in its entirety looks something like this.
Heian Shodan, sir! Here! Here! Here!
And paro.